So hey, what's up mga kote? It's me, Ate Mariel, at welcome sa Quadernos, where learning is the name of the game. So kung bago ka pa lamang sa aming YouTube channel, i-click mo na subscribe, like, and share button para may update ka sa aming mga videos. So samahan natin si Super K sa panibagong araw at panibagong lesson na ating matututunan dito sa Quadernos. At ang bagong lesson natin for today is about using the earth resources wisely. So, kulang siya ng S, using the Earth's resources wisely. So, kaakibat ng ways to stop pollution, paano nga ba natin ma-maximize yung Earth's resources and paano din natin ma-minimize yung illegal activities na nakakasira sa Earth natin. So, before we start our video, meron tayong trivia for today. So, according to 2015 study, sarcasm can promote creative thinking. So, what we say sarcasm, yung parang example, parang nagkakaroon ka ng, wait, I cannot explain it kasi parang tinatanong sa'yo, galit ka? Sasabihin mo, hindi nga ako galit eh. Nakikita mo bang galit ako? Parang ganun yung sarcasm. Parang, you're just, parang, hindi ko ma-explain. Basta yung sarcasm na yun, mararamdaman mo talaga sa isang tao when nagsasarcasm na siya and hindi yun parang paggalit na siya and kailangan mo na rin magkaroon ng common sense to stop what you do, your bad things you do on a person. So yung sarcasm na yan madalas na ano yan kapag talaga yung mga tao is hindi sila natutuwa or hindi sila happy or hindi nila nagustuhan yung actions ng isang tao. So, this is sarcasm. So, yan. Nag-use na ako ng sarcasm siguro sometimes sa chat. Sa chat lang, pero sa personal madalas. So, yan. This is the lesson proper. So, you have learned about the importance of land and water. They are natural resources. Resources mean that they are the source of things that people and animals need. Can you name some things that we get from land and water? So, yan, fish. So, sa land, mga fruits, vegetables. So, sa water, mga fish, mga seashells. So, yan, sa land natin, mga milk, egg, cheese. So, may chicken, fried chicken. So, yan, yun yung mga nakukuha natin sa water. Pag sinabi natin resources, pinagkukuhanan natin ng needs or wants. So, ayan. So next, aside from sunlight, the earth has enough resources to provide the needs of living beings. However, with the growing number of people all over the world, more and more are needed. So, kaya nga, nag-grow na yung population natin. So, kaya nga nagkakataon ng trees to give some space for people and hanggang ngayon, nag-increase pa rin yung population, nag-increase yung teenage pregnancies, and mas kailangan ng mga tao yung mga resources na to. So, ayan, kung yan sa isang pamilya, isang kanin lang, so ngayon lumaki yung pamilya, so kailangan na ng more rice, more food, more water, so ayan. The earth has many sources of fresh water that man and land animals need. But 97% of all water on earth is seawater, which is not good to drink. Also, water is one of the irreplaceable natural resource. All water on earth just goes around in a cycle. With all the polluted bodies of water that cannot be used again, there is less water now than there used to be. So dumadami na yung water pollution and ngayon, nagkakaroon na ng mga madaming polluted na water, marami ng fish kills. So, medyo hindi na yun maganda para sa atin. And hindi rin naman na drink yung seawater. Kaya, we need to have a movement talaga. Not only to amplify, but we need to move to help the environment to preserve our natural resources because water is very vital. It is the universal solvent and we need to preserve it. So next. So wala na pala. So this is very short because hinati ko lang yung ways to stop pollution and using the earth's resources wisely. So, thank you. Have a great day and God bless. So, click the thumbs up button if you like this video and leave a comment down below if you have suggestions, clarifications, questions, and some inquiries you wanted sa aming YouTube channel. So, thank you. Have a great day and God bless. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.